This tutorial will show you how to make a super simple scrunchie. All you need is a long strip of fabric and about 8 inches of elastic. Just check out the description below to download the pattern, or you can just draw your own rectangle that is 5 inches by 20 inches and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to fold the scrunchie in half lengthwise and sew. Leave a small gap at both ends because this will be useful for turning it to the right side later. Now you want to fold the scrunchie in half inside of itself so that you have the right sides together. Sew the ends together. The seam should be matching, and you should still have that little gap that you left open in the previous step. Now you want to turn the scrunchie to the right side through that gap that you left and insert the elastic. Bring the elastic all the way through and sew it into a loop. Then you want to hand sew the hole in the scrunchie closed. And that's it. You have finished your super basic scrunchie that you can use with any leftover scraps that you have.